Hey, listen, man. We supposed to be in the gym right now, day 38. But instead, I'm in butt-fuck nowhere, Tennessee.
Oh!
With this some bitch here.
We are.
Somewhere in Chattanooga. First of all, how you get lost coming to Chattanooga, though?
This ain't Chattanooga, you dumb fool.
Oh!
Man, he said, hey, bro, take a ride with me down to Chat. Hour and a half, 2 hours. We're gonna come right back. This, that, and the third.
How you gonna put them on walk?
You know what I'm saying?
You gonna put them on
And 3 hours later, here we are. Hey, what's going on with you, man?
Nice to meet you, but I'm sorry. I'm dragging ass this morning.
That's all good.
Long night last night. They've been training me well.
Okay.
Long night.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop in this silver car right over here.
Okay.
We're gonna run from 2-3 miles up the street to the shop where it's at.
Okay.
All right.
That's good.
So tell the people. Y'all heard from the man. I didn't want to put him on camera. Tell the people what we doing down here in Chattanooga. Where we at?
Tracy City.
Tracy City, Tennessee.
Picking up car parts.
Picking up rusty ass car parts.
Oh! Say rusty now. Definitely won't say that at all.
Hopefully we have enough time to hit that gym, man. He said it was gonna be 2 hours to come down here, but it's really been 3. And it smells like shit right now.
Oh!
You know, we're in a neighborhood where they don't even have addresses. It's a community of houses that got one number on it, 1 through 10. You know,
Dude, shut the fuck up.
they don't even have a street name out this motherfucker.
It is.
It's just what's the street name? Look. Fucking you don't know what the fuck they looking
Yeah, Lakeview Road.
for. Lakeview Road.
Lakeview.
Where the sign at that say Lakeview Road?
Oh, yeah. Right on GPS.
Also on GPS. Man, they done call Google and name this shit whatever the hell they wanted to name it. And put numbers 1 to 10 on these houses out here. But we're gonna follow this man up the road, get this car parked, and hopefully we make it back, man.
Oh no, we gonna make it bike, motherfucker.
I'm talking about in time to hit that gym. But if not, this sorry ass motherfuckers following.
Oh!
Bitch, you didn't have to come. You could have kept your sorry ass at home, motherfucker.
Yeah, you did good, real fucking good.
Real good, bitch.
Slept real good, ate
Yeah,
real
you
good.
slept good on the way. Shut the fuck up.
Oh!
Yeah, you did.
Nah, he
Motherfucker
did.
woke up
Motherfucker woke
smacking his lips. Talking about where we at, fam?
Hey, your dumb ass had us lost. He was like, oh no, bro, we somewhere in Georgia.
Yeah, we was.
Georgia? The fuck? I thought it was going to Chat.
Yeah. Well, this is the thing. This is on this part of the.
Ah, shut the hell up. We don't want to hear that shit.
Oh!
Leaving my ass, fam.
Yeah, he
I
is.
don't know about that now.
Right.
What are you in a rush for?
Yeah, we're going to get back with y'all, man. Hopefully we make it to the gym, man. We'll see y'all in a minute. Getting this damn car parts and shit. Yeah, man. Hey, finally made it. My guy, Lil D, he came in here earlier. You know, excuse me. Once we left Chat, he had something he had to do. I had something I had to do. So we was on different time schedules. But he did his thing earlier today. So I'm doing my thing right now, late night. So it's gonna be a late upload. But I don't care how late it is. I can't miss a day. Gotta stick to the script. Day 38. Y'all see the work. Y'all see the proof right here. Speak for itself. It's going on 11 o'clock. So, had to get in here, man. I was about to sit at the crib and say, fuck it. But I can't let up. No matter what, you know what it is. Just let y'all know I'm in here checking in. Letting you know we ain't playing, man. We're really trying to make a change. Day 38, it's in the books. About to wrap it up. My guy Lil D ain't here. It's only Big J tonight, but he still did his thing. So tomorrow, first thing in the morning, Big J, Lil D, back at it, man. Close it out. Go into the weekend real smooth. Kick it on Saturday, Sunday, and then hey, we're back Monday. But hey, listen. Like my man Lil did say, fuck your excuses. Get your ass in that motherfucking gym. Hey, I'm out, man.
Look at that ice.
See y'all tomorrow.
She in shape. Look at my case. Yeah, straight. Pushing weight. I'm in shape. Yeah, I ain't no slacking.